Welcome to EarText. I'll be showing you how you can quickly use the text-to-speech tool in CapCut. Please like, comments and hit the subscribe button as we begin. Launch your CapCut and quickly hover to the text section, click it, and write any sentence on it. Once you are done writing your text, hover top right and click on Text-to-Speech. Next, choose your preferred voiceover. Welcome to EarText.
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 Welcome to EarText. Generate the audio and try to enhance the speech. Click on the audio clip and enhance the speech. See if the settings are okay. Welcome to EarText. Let's try another example.
Video editing with Canva.
That was a quick guide on how to generate text-to-speech with CapCut.
Thank you for watching this video, and please hit the subscribe button down there and turn on the notification.